Hello ladies and gentlemen, my fellow crafters. I am packaging up some things for a swap, so I thought I would just show y'all how I do when I package. Let's see. First thing we need to do is, I have this, let me show you what I got in here. This is just a little extra. It's a pocket with a little flip. Another little pocket with a couple of little tags. Nothing really elaborate. These are just things I had in my stash that I'm passing along. And this little thing with the bead. All of that goes inside of there. So we're going to put that down in there first. And I get these bags from Dollar Tree. Okay. Alright. So there's the bag. Alright. Next, I took one of the cards and I put this beautiful bridal's lace around it. And we're going to slide it in. Because it's the largest, we're going to slide it in first. And then we have these two. This one's the tallest. And I've put about a yard on each one of these. So we're going to slide it in, but I want the fold to be on the inside. I don't want it to be on the edge. And then we have this one. And all of these are coordinating so she can use the little cards and things afterwards. And then my lace, I made a trifold, rounded my corners, and then I opened it and folded the lace inside, taped it, and then wrapped it round and round and round, and then closed my trifold. And then I added a sample of washi tape. I just wrapped it around several times so she can use the washi tape also. And that is going to go down in there, just like that. Okay. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to making sure that my fold is on the inside. Fold this down. Well, we want it to go this way. So I want that on the outside. I'm going to fold this down. Now we can cut this off afterward. But let's just do it up here so that when we staple it, we want enough room so that when we staple, we don't staple into this. So that's where we want it. Now I've pulled some different little pieces of paper out of my scrap pile. Let's see, those weren't supposed to be there. So let's just move them out of the way. So we have all of these little things. So I think the first thing I'm going to do is, and that's thin, let's determine how big we need it to be. So we need it to be about right there. Right there. Alright, I want it about that long. Okay, let's move that out of the way. So now we have our little topper. Next thing I want to do is, I think, I want to do something with this lace. I think I'll just fold that over it. Just like that. Yeah. I'm going to fold that over it. And cut it off. Alright. We can trim up our excess afterward. I've got it hanging over a little bit in the back also. See? And we'll trim this up afterward. Okay. Actually, I will go ahead and trim that up. Okay. I have a trash can over there. Alright, the next thing I'm going to do, let me move this out of the way. I'm going to make myself a little ticket. And I've showed you how to do that using your little hole punch. Get this out of the way. Alright, now let's take our little hole punch, just like I've showed you, and make our little ticket. Okay, let me get these out of the way. Alright, we have our little ticket, which can go on there like that. And we're going to need a little word. Let's see. How about how about the word wonderful? Get that out of the way. Let's trim this up at the bottom. Okay, we're going to want to put that on there. We still need something else here. Let's see. How about a little piece of lace here we can put onto there. Just do a little collaging. Put that on there. Put our word on there. And I like the way that looks. So let me just glue that on. Let's bring that over. It doesn't have to be too fancy because it's just a topper. So let me dig over here in my pile. Find my needle so I can unstop my glue. Okay. Alrighty. So let's get up here in camera and get our glue to work. Okay. Let's put our fabric down on there, a little lace. Just like that. And now our little word. Now if I had my distress ink, I would have distressed around that word and the ticket. But I don't have it out, so I'm not going to do it. So there we have our little topper. Right there. We could add a flower to that. I mean, you could go on and add so much more to that. There's so much you could do. But I just wanted to give you the idea of how you can dress your little bag toppers up. So I've got it folded. Now I'm going to put this down over it. Let's see where we need it to be. Determining where I need that to be. We want to make sure we have it even. Okay. Now we're going to put our lace on there, just like that. Pull it down just a little bit, making sure it's even. Put our little ticket onto there, and grab our little stapler, come down. We'll put that on afterward. And staple there. Come across. pulling it even and straight. You don't want it wrinkled. And holding it in place and staple again. And then again in the middle. Well, I'm out of staples. So we'll just do it with the 2 for now. Let me pause and get some staples. Okay, so I got my staplers loaded again, and I'm just going to staple this onto here. Let's see. I'm going to turn it this way so our staples going the same way as the ticket side, just like that. And there we have that. And I could go back and add a flower. I think I will pull my little thing out, cut out some flowers, and put a little flower in this corner. And there you have it. A beautiful package, front and back. See? Didn't get my lace quite even there. I should have made sure and checked the back, but there you have it. A nice little package for a swap. Okay, so there you have it. And I thank y'all. God bless, and bye-bye.